I have a list of 25 of the best piano songs every piano student should learn. So let's find out which song made it on the list and also if you can play it. So, 25, If I Angered You by Alicia Keys. Beautiful. Okay, great. Next one. Oh, classical. Sonata Facile by Mozart. Great. Yeah. Okay, seems to be a great list. So I like the number 25 and number 24. So what's number 23? Oh, it's a new list. It's up to date, Golden Hour by Jake. So there's something very interesting in just a second. So first of all, yeah, so here's the thing. This is very hard to play. This is the original key, but I paid close attention and Jake himself actually plays it in another key than it sounds. So he seems to transpose something. He plays it only using white keys, like this. Yeah, so I have a full piano tutorial of this coming up very soon. That's a great song. Number 23. Okay, what's number 22? Jessie! I think it's by Joshua Caddis, one of my favorites actually. What made it to 22 here? Sorry. Okay, great. Jessie. What's next? The Way It Is. Oh, but that's pop music. Come on. Okay, great. Next one. Moonlight Sonata. Ooh, classical, beautiful. Let's try this E minor. Okay, wonderful. What's next? It's a beautiful list, so I like it until now. And it's only number 20, so what's number 19? Oh, music. No, that's not a piano song, but it's a beautiful piano intro, like. Can try to play the melody. Yeah, melody and piano at the same time. Okay, I have a very, very comprehensive piano tutorial of this song on my channel in both in German and English. You should check it out. Okay, let's find out the next one. Yes, I also do have a piano tutorial of this, of course. Another Love, very popular recently. Yeah, okay, great. Another Love. By the way, if you want to learn to play the piano, I have a free piano course. It's really free. It's a piano crash course, and the link is in the description below. I also do have a paid premium course. You can check this out as well. Of course, I appreciate your support, but definitely get the free one. It's definitely worth it. So most of my subscribers are there, and I'm looking forward to see you there as well. So the next one, soundtrack of Forrest Gump. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Kommt die Note dritte? Number 16? Really? Ah, I thought this would be top 3. So by the way, I thought this would be number 3 because that's one of my most popular piano tutorials on my channel. Also both English and German. So check this out. It's definitely worth it. Also for absolute beginners. So what's next? Oh, Ave Maria, some Christian song. Yeah, I'm not sure if the B is here or here. Like. Yeah, it's a long time ago. Yeah, okay, but it's so nice. I have to learn the song again. I really love it. It's really beautiful also when someone sings to the song. So, number 15 out of 25. So we have a lot of coming up. Viva la Vida, Coldplay number 14. I'm not sure if this is a piano song. I think it's orchestra and strings. Maybe there's a piano as well. But it's a great song. It's a surprise. Ah, Clair de Lune. That's more typical classical song, piano song. Beautiful, beautiful Clair de Lune. Definitely also worth an entire piano tutorial. I need to do very, very soon. Okay, what's next? You by 10 Sharp. Next one. Ah, another classical one. This must be Chopin. Something like this. Beautiful. So next one, My Heart Will Go On. That's not a piano song, but I know very popular on the piano. Of course, it made it to the list. Number 10. Now we have reached top 10. Of course, I do have a piano tutorial on my channel. Next one is Pachelbel. That's not piano, but no matter. I think it's a very important piece. I think it's a very important piece on the piano because of the chords. You can play it in every key, not only in D and C. And many songs are using this Pachelbel chord progression. Hip-hop songs, pop songs, even folk songs. So wonderful. Someone Like You. Yes, it's a very beginner-friendly also. I love it. Oh, Interstellar number 7. What? I thought it's top 5 at least. But it's also great for beginners. Well, I do have an easy and an advanced version. Well, it's an easy version as a piano tutorial, and it gets advanced throughout the tutorial. So because it only starts with 2 notes, like... And then we have like... Sorry. Lum, dum, 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 dum. Yeah, and then the right hand. Only 2 notes. No, Interstellar, of course, it's huge. You should definitely check out my piano tutorial. So just type in werdemusiker, so my channel name, and then Interstellar. Or just Interstellar piano tutorial. Okay, great. So that was number 7. So we don't have that much. Oh, that's interesting. I'm happy that it made it to the list because it's really, really beautiful. Okay, let's try this. Sorry, it's such a long time here. It's not too hard by now. It's an A flat major and it's very high, but I love this melody. And then beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeruma, Kiss the Rain. So worth it. I do have a piano tutorial for this song on my channel, but I think it's only German. I will make an English one as well. So next one. Piano Man by Billy Joel. Great. So what I like about this song is so that it's a song about us, right? Piano man, piano woman. And it has a great story, great lyrics, but then this lam bam la da 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 da. This is a very nice melody. Okay, great. Billy Joel, something different, right? Oh, Beatles, of course. It's not a typical piano song, but piano is a very important a very important instrument in the song. And also, by the way, this here on the left hand. And now, slowly. That's the original, how they played it. Great work in the studio by the Beatles. Bohemian Rhapsody, number 3. Wow, yes. So that's probably the longest tutorial I have on my channel with more than 20 parts. Like we learn the entire song with guitar solo and everything. But the most important one is... intro, of course. Okay, so the last 2, I'm very curious about this. Oh, I can't imagine what songs, but this list was so unpredictable until now. No, okay. I would have expected this maybe number 1, River Flows in You. Of course, I do have piano tutorials both in English and German, and the original version very detailed. Also, that absolute beginner can play this. Okay, and again, if you're still here, I'm very sure that you will love my free piano crash course. So the link's in the description below. Check this out now, because now we have number one, and number one is, of course, Beethoven für Elise. Yes, and I also do have a piano tutorial for this one, also for absolute beginners, also my channel, also English, also German, both one of my most popular piano tutorials. But something very interesting about this song. It's the main part, what I just played, is also based on chords. So nearly every song out there is based on chords. Yeah, and this is the A minor chord. Yeah, and I can play the whole chord about the entire keyboard. And then, and that's the E major chord. These three notes, but we can find them everywhere here on the piano. E minor. E major. A minor. So, and then we can go on with different parts. We have some different chords. It's just some interesting background. So I've always find it fascinating what's really behind the songs, yeah, how they are made, how they are composed, and it also helps with learning and so on. You don't have to understand everything when you're a beginner, but it's really, really super interesting. Okay, so that's it. Let me know what you think. Was there something missing on this list? So I just went to Google and found this one. I thought, okay, let's press record and see what's on this list. It could be total failure, but I'm very surprised. I'm very positive surprised about this list. So thanks so much for being here. Check out the link in the description. Get my free piano course. Also my website, werdemusiker.de. All about on my side is about learning how to play the piano. So I'm really looking forward to see you there. Also appreciate the support. Thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my channel and see you in the next video.